Introducing our newly upgraded, more comprehensive and powerful ratchet screwdriver set. Comes with 70 bits in various types and sizes. Features a detachable and reconfigurable ratchet handle, a toggle switch for forward or reverse switching, and strong magnetic tips to securely hold the screw. Our repair tool also comes with a powerful magnet that can be magnetized at any time. General repair and assembly. Wide range of applications. Using the screwdriver cap, you can assemble it into a standard screwdriver handle. With it, you can confidently tackle your DIY projects, installations, repairs, or maintenance. It is the perfect choice for personal use or gifting.